Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to freeze your Wells Fargo's credit or debit card. Let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways that you can do this. The first is online card freeze. And how you want to do this is by logging into your Wells Fargo's online banking account, and then you need to click on the account service tab and then just select the card freeze option and just review and confirm the card freeze. Now for mobile app card freeze, how you want to do this is to first access the Wells Fargo's mobile app on your device and then sign into your account, and then once you're signed in, you want to choose the account service option, and then once you're there, select the card freeze option and just review and confirm the card freeze. Now for phone card freeze, how you're going to do this is to by calling Wells Fargo's customer service. The number is right there on the screen, and just share your contact information to, of course, verify your identity. And then you need to ask the representative to freeze your credit or debit card, and just listen to what they say and follow the prompts to get that done. Now for card freeze restrictions, you need to know that no new transactions will be allowed while your card is frozen. Recurring payments such as subscriptions may still be processed though, and but you can unfreeze your card at any time by just contacting Wells Fargo's customer service, or just by using the mobile app. Now, a couple of tips and reminder for you guys is to freeze your card as soon as possible if it's lost, stolen, or if your card details are compromised. You also want to monitor your accounts regularly to detect any suspicious transactions that are being done by means of somebody having your card details. You could also quickly report lost or stolen cards to Wells Fargo customer service so they can help you to deactivate or make sure that that card doesn't compromise you any further. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to freeze your Wells Fargo's credit or debit card. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.